For this example, we have all the data collected in the spreadsheet. So to start out with our formula, we want to find out the percentage of the numbers that we've gathered. So we will put in a formula to get our answer. So to get the percentage of something, we take the number we're trying to find the percentage of and divide them by the total, which is 16 in our case. And the same for percentage of the answer no. We take the number no for no, which is 7, and divide it by our total, which is 16. This means we have a formula in our cell, which will give our percentage. In this case, to find the percentage of the other yes, we would like to autofill instead of doing it manually for all of them. Go to the bottom left corner and drag it all the way down. In this case, you see that there's errors coming up. This is because we did not lock our cell for the total number. We do that by putting $signs around that cell. Now we can try to autofill without it getting errors. So we will drag it down and you will see that there will be no errors coming up. We will do that for the same, the answer no. Put up $signs to lock that cell. And drag it down to autofill. And there we have all the data. In this case, we have found all the data we want for the class ratio. To give you an example of a function, we can find the average of all of our answers. And the same as autofill in the other example, we can do the same for this example. So we find the function in the fx bottom and find the function we want to use. To make it easier to understand our data that we found, we can make a graph to show this. We point out all the cells we want to show in the graph, choose the graph we want, and this shows us a more visual, easier graph to understand the data that we just gathered.